real estate motivated. It's been what, maybe like 2, 3, 4 weeks, who knows? But look, I'm here. We have results. You know what I mean? What's new? What's new? We just passed framing inspection after having to fire my initial framer. Had to get him out of here, man. I don't have time for all excuses. Late work, not producing results. You gotta go. You know what I mean? Look, I'm my guy Julio over here. We have passed for interior framing inspection, and that's basically just like this. When the house is to studs, you know, things like that. Yeah, we passed, and this is in the rough. This is framing inspection for the left side. I have to still get it again for the right side, because I only have electrical for the left side. But I have electrical pass for the left side. I have plumbing pass for rough plumbing pass for both sides. I have HVAC pass, rough HVAC pass for both sides. Yeah, man. So let's do a little tour. Yeah, rough plumbing. Gotta have your tubs in. You know, gotta have your drains. So you gotta know what color drains you're going with. Gotta know what color your final fixtures are gonna be. Yeah, man. I mean, rough electrical. You gotta have all your ports in. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, what else we got? You can see rough HVAC. Yeah, man, I mean, feeling good, man. Was I expecting to pass rough framing the first time? No. But look at us, like we shining, we get it, you know what I mean? So what have we learned here? What have we learned here? Don't be afraid to fire your subcontractor for not producing results. Don't have time for that. Gotta get them out of here. Yeah, so for rough plumbing, gotta have your tubs, gotta have your drains, gotta have your locations for where you want to have your water heaters. You know, got for rough electrical, gotta have rough electrical. Always walk around, confirm where your outlets are, where you want to have them. Like I have outlets in this room right here, because I know I'm gonna have a TV right here. I have blocking for the TV for the TV stand, not the TV stand, but the TV mount. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, just confirming those locations, because if you don't, then they're gonna give you a change order, and the change order is gonna be expensive because they have to go back, double check, double work, all that. Yeah, man, feeling good. Yeah, man, moving. Already paid for drywall, picking up drywall in the morning. Yeah, so where we right now, we are pretty much almost done exterior paint. We can check it out. Let's check it out. We passed inspection with 2 thumbs and as fresh as ever. Let's get it. Had to get rid of my so initially I had 4x4 beams. Had to get them out of here. Had to get them out. That's little boy beams, man. Had to get them out of here, you know, because I really want the post, the porch post to you know have a little earth to them. You know what I mean? So yeah. Another thing is I caught this vanity at Home Depot for $63 that I'm gonna put on the rental side. That saved me $600. Well, let's say five something. So yeah, came with a vanity, it came with a mirror, and it also came with the countertop. But I have it in my crib, in my apartment, because I didn't want to leave it here and get broken. But yeah, man, I mean, what's been up? Like, I mean, I'm trying to get this done, you know, balance development work and this. Yeah, man, feeling good. Let's check out this paint, man. Come on, enough. See it. So if you notice, I took off the aluminum siding. So basically, we put up plywood, painted over it, gonna caulk it, have a little bit smoother. Yeah. And big boy post, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so you can see, took down the aluminum. Was a little bit nervous to do it because I didn't know what was underneath, but pretty much just gonna let this be open. So yeah, I feel like it flows with the style of it. Go ahead. Get your camera time, man. Get your camera time, man. Looks good, right?
My name is?
Huh?
My name is?
What's your name is?
What's your name?
My name Reggie.
Yeah. What's your name?
Reggie.
What's your name? My name is?
What's your name?
My name is Blaga.
Blaga? Okay. What's your name?
Joseph.
You lying, huh?
Joseph.
You lying, huh? Pretty much gonna stain the top porch, stain this trim around it, stain the top steps. Yeah, I mean, that's it. Moving, getting stuff done. Man, look. Stay tuned. It's moving. You got movement, you know, pass framing inspection for the left side, you know what I mean? That's what I needed. So yeah, look, stay tuned. Feel like we're good. Feel like we got another like 30, 50 days. We'll be good, we got it. Look, peace, stay tuned, like, share, comment this video. Came out pretty good. Found some good pieces. Not too bad for dumpster diving on dumpster. So hey, we rocking, we rolling.